The sky is a battlefield, a vast three-dimensional arena where control is the foundation of modern warfare. Without air superiority, armies stall, navies are vulnerable, and the entire concept of modern conflict unravels. Air superiority means flying, fighting, and winning in the aerial domain while denying that freedom to the enemy. Today, this battle space is more contested than ever, filled with advanced radars, missiles, and stealthy fighters. Survival is measured in microseconds. Detection can mean destruction. Achieving control requires a machine that dominates, not just survives. It must see without being seen, strike without being targeted, and adapt instantly. The nation that commands the skies projects power and dictates the terms of battle below. This is about more than dogfighting. It's about information dominance, electronic warfare, and seamless sensor integration. Enter the Dassault Rafale, not just a fighter jet, but France's answer to the demands of 21st century air power. Born from a drive for strategic independence, the Rafale was designed as an omniroll platform capable of every mission a modern air force requires. Deep strikes, nuclear deterrence, reconnaissance, fleet defense, the Rafale does it all, often in a single sortie. This omniroll concept marks a shift in air combat doctrine, one hyper-versatile platform, replacing fleets of specialized aircraft. The Rafale embodies efficiency, flexibility, and lethality. It's a testament to French engineering and a bold statement of intent. In a world of complex threats, the Rafale is the ultimate tool for asserting control over the unseen battlefield above. It is a sovereign instrument of power, designed to adapt and dominate. The Rafale's design philosophy is clear: total freedom of action in the most hostile skies. In the contest for air superiority, the Rafale stands as France's uncompromising answer. The Rafale story begins with France's fierce commitment to strategic autonomy. In the late 1970s, European nations sought a new fighter, leading to the FIFA program, a partnership that quickly fractured. France needed a lighter, carrier-capable multirole jet, while others wanted a heavier air superiority fighter, which became the Eurofighter Typhoon. Disagreements over design and leadership led France to withdraw in 1985, betting its future on domestic innovation. This bold move birthed the ACX program, soon evolving into the Rafale. The Rafale A demonstrator flew in 1986, showcasing the delta wing and canard design that would define the jet. It validated advanced aerodynamics, fly-by-wire controls, and composite materials. Dassault refined the design into 3 variants: Rafale C, single seat; B, 2-seat; and M, carrier capable. The Rafale M required special modifications for carrier operations, a unique French need. In 2001, the first production Rafale entered service, marking the arrival of a truly sovereign French fighter. The Rafale isn't just multi-role, it's omni-role. Unlike traditional fighters, it can switch missions mid-flight, air-to-air ground attack, reconnaissance, all in one sortie. This flexibility is built on a sophisticated suite of sensors and weapons. For air combat, it wields MICA and Meteor missiles guided by the RBE-2 ASA radar, which tracks multiple targets and maps the ground. For ground attack, it carries SCALP EAG cruise missiles and ASM Hammer smart bombs guided by advanced targeting pods. The Rafale's Aerios pod turns it into a powerful reconnaissance platform, gathering intelligence from afar. This seamless transition between roles is the essence of omniroll power. The Rafale's design gives commanders unmatched adaptability in unpredictable battle spaces. It's a single platform that fights strikes and sees mastering every mission. In modern air combat, the deadliest threat is often invisible, lurking in the electromagnetic spectrum. The Rafale's answer: Spectra, a revolutionary electronic warfare suite that forms a virtual shield around the jet. Spectra detects, identifies, and geolocates threats, radars, missiles, lasers, building a 360-degree threat picture. It fuses this data for the pilot, prioritizing threats and suggesting evasive actions. But Spectra doesn't just warn, it fights back. It jams enemy radars, deploys decoys, and uses electronic stealth to reduce the Rafale's signature. Flares and chaff counter incoming missiles, while Spectra's integration with other sensors maximizes survivability. The front sector optronics system adds passive, long-range detection, spotting targets without revealing the Rafale's position. This sensor fusion gives the Rafale a decisive edge in contested airspace. Spectra is more than defense. It's the Rafale's guardian angel, ensuring survival in the world's most hostile skies. In the electronic battle space, the Rafale is both hunter and hunted, and Spectra tips the balance. The Rafale faces fierce rivals in the crowded skies of the 21st century. Its closest European competitor is the Eurofighter Typhoon, superb in air combat, but less versatile than the Rafale's omniroll design. Against the American Fa-18 Super Hornet, the Rafale offers greater agility and a more advanced electronic warfare suite. The real benchmark is the F-35 Lightning II, a stealth fighter with unmatched radar evasion. While the Rafale can't match the F-35 stealth, it counters with Spectra, designed to detect and jam stealthy radars. Its front sector optronics can passively track heat signatures, turning stealth into a vulnerability if detected. Rafale pilots use sensor fusion and tactics to trap stealth fighters, exploiting their reliance on invisibility. The Rafale's genius lies in its balanced aerodynamics, sensor fusion, electronic warfare, and omniroll capability in one package. It may not top every metric, but it's a potent, adaptable platform holding its own against any fighter in the world. The Rafale is the French answer to the challenge of modern air combat, balanced, integrated, and ready for anything. A fighter's reputation is forged in combat, not on the factory floor. The Rafale's baptism of fire came in Afghanistan, flying close air support, reconnaissance, and precision strikes. In Libya, it launched long-range raids, destroyed armored columns, and neutralized air defenses, all in a single campaign. Its rapid targeting and strike capability were showcased when a Rafale destroyed a Libyan jet on the runway. In Mali, Rafales flew marathon missions, halting militant advances with deep strikes. Against ISIS, they became a cornerstone of coalition air power, delivering precision strikes and vital intelligence. These real-world deployments validated the Rafale's design reliable, adaptable, and lethal. International exercises further proved its worth, with Rafale pilots competing with, and sometimes defeating, top-tier adversaries. Its combat record is a key reason for its export success. The Rafale has earned its reputation as a battle-proven, world-class fighter. Its legacy is written in the skies over conflict zones worldwide. The Dassault Rafale is more than a fighter. It's a symbol of French innovation and independence. Its omniroll design proved a single airframe could excel at every mission, influencing air forces worldwide. Spectra and advanced sensor fusion reshaped air combat, showing that smart defense can rival stealth. The Rafale's journey from national project to global export success is remarkable. Nations from India to the UAE have chosen it for its unique blend of performance and versatility. As the Rafale bridges to the next generation, its lessons in aerodynamics, sensor fusion, and electronic warfare shape the future. The Rafale is a living legacy, a benchmark for air superiority in the 21st century. It is the enduring squall, defining the skies for decades to come.